The term tackle, with the meaning apparatus for fishing, has been in use from 1398 AD. Fishing tackle is also called fishing gear. However, the term fishing gear is more usually used in the context of commercial fishing. Today we will present top 5 fishing gear. Before you begin, please click notification bell and subscribe button for new updates.
Today I want to tell you about a tool that you must have in your fishing arsenal, and that is the Zach double it up. Let's double it up. 2 lines of 50-pound braid, and notice I'm not really putting tension on the other side. You know that if you put tension on braid like this, it's easier to cut through it. I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna cut straight across. Check it out. Oh my goodness, that was 2 lines of 50-pound braid. So let's do 4 layers of 50-pound braid. There's 1, there's 2, 3, and 4. So there it is. I am gonna cut right there. Look at that, guys. Look how clean that cut is. 4 lines of 50-pound braid, heavy 50-pound braid, and it just cuts like butter. Let's see it again. You hear that little snap, and it's cut. So the braid cutters are super sharp. You can use them as regular pliers just to take a hook out, and there, look at the profile, guys. Look at that profile. You can get through any gills of any fish with that low profile, and they have big leverage. These open on its own. But what about the split ring pliers? Check it out, it has it right there. Let's check out how that works. All right guys, so I have one of my crankbait boxes here. Let's grab one of the crankbaits. Let's see. All right, let's grab this big 6 cent crankbait. All right guys, so let's say I'm in a tournament, I'm getting bit on this deep diving crankbait from 6 cents. All I need to do to stretch these hooks out is grab my Zach X pliers, get a hold of that ring, and just get that hook out. So now if I want to put it back on, get that hook back in there, and after 10 seconds you are back on the water catching some big fish with that crankbait. All right guys, if you want to check out these pliers, click the Amazon link in the description. Go check them out. Tell them that you saw this video from Fishing con Velasquez.